Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply or add the color blur transition effect in CapCut PC. So first you're just going to select menu, select settings and select edit to adjust for the image duration and 2.0 seconds, just click save. So import your images or photos or videos you like to edit, and here's I I already have images to the right in the right, sorry, and go to transition and select blur. You can find color blur, but this is pro transition effect. You have to join properties to be able to use this effect, so just add to the track after you download it, and you can adjust for the duration and 1 second, and you can apply to all the clip and see the result. Okay, so and you can also add the effect, click effect and select the effect you like available here. Okay, yeah, so basically what I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.